Alright guys, we got another Rough Ryder to look at, and this one's a Carnivore Jack, the MeatEater's pocket knife. Another nice box from Rough Ryder. Alright, the Rough Ryder Carnivore Jack is a personal two-bladed steak knife based on a traditional pattern. It features one plain blade and one serrated blade for whatever your meat cutting needs might be. Carry it wherever you eat. Alright, so it's a handy little knife. Let's take a look at it. Right, so it comes with a little leather, it smells like leather, or leather style pouch with a clip on the back, pocket clip. Pretty nice. They always end up in the bin. Seems a shame to throw these boxes away, but I've got so many knives, not enough room to keep the boxes. So we've got I like the badge on this. So we've got a smooth bone here. It's kind of a dappled colour, this one. They're going to vary, of course. Yeah, pretty nice bone. We've got nickel silver bolsters, pins, and we've got 420A stainless steel blades, and the first blade is a nice clip point, and it's marked there 440, and there's a model number there, and China, which is where they're made. Nice wedge at the front there, really a nice pretty clip point. Good half stop too. And the other blade, nice decent pull on it, I don't know, 5-ish. Got the double R emblem here. These have got nice nail pulls, match strike nail pulls, again a swedge on the front of the blade, but this one's of course serrated for eating your steak. So there you go, let's take some quick measurements. Just about a 3-inch blade here, and the closed length about 4 inches. The other blade is the same length as well, another 3-inch blade. Let's look at it against some other knives. Oh, someone's revving up a bike out there. This is that Walmart special, I love this thing. And here up against the Finn Wolf, a totally different beast, but just give an idea of size to some of you that might have some of these knives. The little mini canoe, good timing for that bike, huh? And the Sword, this is the smaller Sword, awesome work knife. And the Boker Kalashnikov. So there you go guys, just a quick look at this knife. Really is quite pretty. I'm not keeping this one. This one I bought for a friend, so this is a gift. Let's see what it looks like in the pouch, eh? Well, we've got that here. There, that goes in the pouch really quite nicely. So a handy little knife to take out while you're eating or barbecues or whatever. Useful blade, and there's your meat eating blade. So pretty nice. If you got one of these, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you later.